let's suppose you would like to become a project manager. There are so many career paths that you could take. One of the strategies that I recommend you to follow is to draw a triangle like that. Triangle is going to give you 1, 2, 3 different career paths that will align with your main career path. For example, right now, my career goal is to get into project management. I would love to manage a team, a group of people that are very driven and professional, that will deliver great service to customers and to your company as well. This is the career path that I want to take. It is the core foundation. It's something that I really wanted to specialize in and putting a lot of work every single day, learn more about things, read more about stuff that I find online, go into network events and socialize and say, hey, would you love to get more involved in project management, and also apply for jobs and go through job interviews and get more involved in the things that I work myself, which is more creating content, developing websites, and analyzing data as well. So that is my main and core goal as a professional. So then you're gonna put inside there what's your main core goal as a professional. It could be anything. It could be work as an economist, for instance. As an economist, you're gonna have so many different areas of economics that you could work with. Does that make sense? You could also put that yoga teacher, also put that doctor. You could also put that content creator. It's really up to you. You need to find a position that you are really passionate about. And that's the key. You will find 3 other different positions that align with your core position. Within the project manager area, I would love to work with digital analysis, business analysis, and political analysis. It really makes your life a lot easier if you find your core position and the 3 other different positions that align with that core position that will help you within your job search.